I didn't know this thing was about heroes. And Pete is so good about building people up. For me, there's one hero, and it's Jesus Christ. We started Desktop in the idea in 2016, started construction at the beginning of 2017, opened it April 1st of 2017, and grew it for 4 years. We probably all of us here are entrepreneurs in some way, correct? Show of hands. If you're an entrepreneur, it's the excitement phase. You've got an idea. For us, I just needed space. I outgrew my office. We needed space. I didn't need 10,000 square feet. I didn't need to take an old CVS pharmacy and convert it into a real estate office. I needed 2,500 square feet, but I love that location. And I believe it was God's idea to take and turn it into my offices for our real estate companies, for us to then turn the rest of the space into a coffee shop, which originally was the Kennesaw Coffee Company and now is the Local Dough. And then to have a co-working space where we could provide a place to let people start, grow them up, and then move them out. Because you eventually outgrow our space. We can't keep people there forever. So, that's kind of the story of Desktop. We grew it for 4 years. And I lived there for 6 to 7 days a week for 4 years. And if you know my personality at all, I'm entrepreneurial. My family, my wife and my 2 kids who helped us, we all worked it together. When we had a company meeting, if I ever did this, they'd say, tackle him, stop him, he's having another idea. And so I was stifled. So we got 4 years in, we grew it to about as much revenue as we thought we could get. And so I licensed it to my coffee shop guy. And we stepped away for 4 years. When I got to the end of that 4 years, I got to a point where, I got to the stage of the management phase. You have the excitement phase, you grow it, and then you get to the management phase where you're having to, what I call, wrestle bears and stomp snakes. You're just kind of putting out brush fires. And the excitement tends to wane. So we stepped away. It wasn't going to be permanent, actually, but God had a different plan. We licensed it to, my coffee shop guy, kind of became partners. He had a midlife crisis about halfway through that. And so 4 years into our 7-year agreement, I had to take it back. I shouldn't say had to take it back. I got to take it back. And for the last year, so in for 4 years, out for 4 years, and then we took it back. And when I came back in, when Jackie and I came back in, my kids had already moved on. There was nothing for them to do. We, had partnered with John. So when we came back in, God gave us a new vision for this thing. I thought of, and I think all of us maybe think of our businesses as a wheel, something to help us get from point A to point B. There's a destination. We want to grow a business. We want to impact people. We want to hire people. We want to create a product. For us, it was creating a service, but we see it as a thing. God gave me a vision when we came back in that this wasn't a wheel, it was a hub. It was the center of something that could be much, much bigger. So when you go from the excitement phase to the management phase, if you have a chance to step away like we did, and that was a 4-year step away, most people don't get that ability if you have a business, then you're able, when you come back, to get to the re-engagement phase. There's a lot of excitement again. There's a lot more clarity. And let me tell you, there's a lot more profitability. So what I would encourage you as an entrepreneur to do is first, have a purpose in your business that's bigger than just profit. We want to know God and make him known and have Desktop be a place that impacts people with the gospel, impacts people with, the fruit of the Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, gentleness, faithfulness, goodness, and self-control. And we want to be able to then, and now what we're doing in this re-engagement phase is we are partnering with businesses. We're now partners in the coffee shop, not just a tenant. We're now partners in a social media marketing company. We're teaming up with them to grow it. And now we're going to create a kids play place inside of Desktop to help moms, and there'll be a place in there for moms who homeschool to bring their kids, to let them work inside. We're going to call it the study hall, and then also a place for parents with special needs kids, basically a tactile type room. So if you can, my exhortation to you is to, for a day, for a weekend, for a week, step away so that you can get some clarity on your business and look at it where you're not having to stop snakes. Thanks very much.
Thank you, brother.